BSLK stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether both projects holding stocks are buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. This thing blew up like 142% up. And I've done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships over the last 4 years while documenting everything with BSLK. And like idea on this was definitely bearish, and at the time being it was phenomenal, like as the price delivered beneath the lows and then it just kind of zoomed up. So we are in need for a change. From what I can see is that yeah, it was a phenomenal break, like no doubt about it. But it's not like a market that I'll immediately start to buy. To be perfectly honest with you, I would need to see a proper retracement, then a double break if I want to double down on this bullish market even. But yeah, and I'm actually very open to it. Like from what you can see here is that I'm open to it, but I really need to see that confirmation. If I don't, then just forget about it, right? I'm also going to forget about it. If you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.